Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best browser-based Windows emulators that let you run different versions of Windows directly inside your web browser. Some of these tools simulate the Windows interface, while others act more like real virtual machines running in the cloud. Let's go through them one by one. The links are given in the description. Let's start with Windows 11 Emulator by Apponfly VPS. Apponfly is not just a visual simulation. It provides a real Windows 11 virtual private server that runs inside your browser. Once it loads, you get about 50 minutes of free trial usage per session. This emulator comes very close to a real Windows 11 experience. You'll find familiar settings, system tools, and even Microsoft Edge with Copilot suggestions, similar to the latest Windows 11 updates. You can open tools like PowerShell and Registry Editor, but keep in mind that your data is not saved once the session ends. For macOS or Linux users who occasionally need Windows, this is one of the closest real-world options available without installing Windows locally. Next is Win11 React by Blue Edge. This emulator is built using JavaScript, React, and CSS, and it focuses on recreating the Windows 11 interface rather than full functionality. You can explore the Start menu, taskbar, and basic system apps, but you cannot install Windows programs, and most settings cannot be changed. It's ideal if you just want to see how Windows 11 looks and feels, especially for demos or basic learning. You can even save files inside the simulated file explorer, which adds to the realism. Now let's look at Windows 10 Lite by OnWorks. OnWorks offers a browser-based environment that looks like Windows 10 but is actually Linux-based behind the scenes. It includes the Start menu, settings, file explorer, and even a working browser like Firefox. There are no time limits, but performance can be slow, especially on single-monitor setups. This emulator is best suited for basic navigation practice or testing how Windows 10 was structured. Now let's move to Windows 7 emulator, Win7 Cemu. Windows May 7th no longer be supported, but it remains very popular. This emulator recreates the Windows 7 interface, including control panel, command prompt, run dialog, and classic desktop features. Some applications and games are pre-installed, like Minesweeper and Solitaire, and you can explore folders and basic system tools. Advanced features like PowerShell or Registry Editor are not available, but it's excellent for nostalgic exploration. Next is the Windows XP emulator. This emulator recreates the Windows XP user interface, including the task-based Start menu and classic design. Applications like Notepad, Paint, Calculator, and Command Prompt are functional. You can create and save files within the emulator, though Internet Explorer does not actually connect to the web. It's a great example of how Windows evolved in usability and navigation. Now let's talk about Windows 98 Virtual x86. This is one of the most complete retro emulators available in a browser. It allows you to run Windows 98, browse the web using Internet Explorer, play classic games, and even load disk images. You can save emulator states and continue later, which makes it very powerful for learning or experimentation. Finally, we have Windows 95 and DOSBox. This emulator uses DOSBox to run Windows 95 directly inside your browser. You can use Paint, WordPad, and play classic games like Minesweeper, Solitaire, and FreeCell. Changes you make are stored in your browser's local storage, but you can't transfer files in or out, and internet access is limited. So, which emulator should you use? If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.